The core principles of Qigong meditation. The essence of Qigong meditation is movement within stillness, inner movement, guiding the flow of qi through breath and intention, harmonizing yin and yang. Outer stillness, keeping the body motionless, calming the spirit, and shielding from external distractions. Passed down and practiced for generations. In traditional society, people from all walks of life pursued quieting the mind and regulating the breath. Schools even offered meditation classes, helping students develop concentration, stay calm during studies, and face exams with less stress and tension. Craftsmen, farmers, merchants, and scholars also practiced meditation to steady the mind and refine their professional skills. This cultivation from within contributed to a more harmonious society. By drawing on ancient wellness wisdom, modern people can also adjust their lifestyle, find balance in work and study, and walk toward a future of restored tradition and health. Integration of inner and outer cultivation nourishes the organs, clears the mind, and achieves balance between body and spirit. It is the very heart of the ancient wellness method. Ancient wellness secrets and modern insights. In today's fast-paced, high-pressure world, Qigong meditation is more than just an ancient health practice. It is a way of life. It reminds us to slow down, reconnect with ourselves, and return to a simple, natural lifestyle. It is worth noting that Qigong meditation requires proper technique and persistence. Beginners are best guided by experienced teachers and should progress gradually in order to achieve optimal wellness results. The many benefits of Qigong meditation: reduce stress hormones. Through deep breathing and stillness, the mind gradually calms, emotions loosen, and inner peace is restored. Improves insomnia. Consistent Qigong practice soothes the nervous system and regulates biological rhythms. Meditating before bedtime relaxes both body and mind, easing insomnia and shallow sleep, and restoring natural rest. This is a direct expression of the ancient wellness method of nourishing the heart through stillness. Supports cardiovascular health. Modern medicine confirms that stress is a hidden trigger of heart disease. The meditative practice of ancient wellness meditation lowers anxiety and tension, helping stabilize heart rate and blood pressure while protecting heart health. Regulates high blood pressure. Deep breathing during meditation relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and reduces vascular tension. Many studies show that mindfulness meditation and Qigong exercises have a positive effect on lowering blood pressure, serving as a natural ancient wellness secret. Calms the mind and enhances vital energy. Ancient wellness teaches that when qi flows, blood flows. Qigong meditation helps clear meridians, promoting smoother qi and blood circulation. When the mind is calm, the body feels lighter, and one can face life's challenges with greater focus, clarity, and resilience. In summary, Qigong meditation is both an ancient wellness secret and a treasure of ancient wellness wisdom. It was a timeless health method in the past, and today it serves as a powerful tool for restoring balance and health. By carrying ancient wisdom into modern life, we too can live a natural, healthy, and fulfilling life. Over the course of 5,000 years of civilization, China has nurtured a profound and vast wisdom of wellness. Rooted in the cultivation traditions of Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism, this wisdom gradually evolved into a holistic philosophy of health, centered on the harmony between heaven and humanity, and the balance of body and mind. The ancients believed that true health was not merely physical strength, but the complete integration and balance of body, mind, and spirit. On the spiritual level, the ancients emphasized self-cultivation and moral refinement. They believed that by upholding discipline and respecting virtue, one could foster harmonious family relationships and social order. Faith also played a vital role. People honored heaven, earth, and the deities, seeking protection and guidance. Through rituals and practice, they came to realize the smallness of the self, cultivating humility and reverence. Such spiritual cultivation not only purified one's character, but also brought inner peace, helping people stay free from restlessness and confusion. In daily life, the ancients understood the importance of living in harmony with nature. They aligned their routines and diets with the rhythms of the season, heaven and earth, to preserve their vitality. More importantly, ancient wellness emphasized cultivation both inside and out. While external practices nourished the body, without inner refinement, true balance could not be achieved. Through meditation, breathing exercises, guided movements, regulate energy and blood flow, ease the mind, and rediscover inner tranquility in harmony with nature. This cultivation was not only a path to health, but also a wisdom of living and an attitude toward life. The wisdom of ancient wellness teaches us that health is not merely physical strength, but an all-encompassing balance of body, mind, and spirit. By cultivating virtue, nurturing mindfulness, and living in accord with nature, we can face the challenges and pressures of life with calmness and joy. In this way, our lives will no longer be bound by anxiety and emotion, but instead blossom with freedom, harmony, and strength. This is the very essence of ancient wellness wisdom, still a guiding light for us today, showing how to live a healthy, natural, and beautiful life.
In today's fast-paced modern society, our bodies, minds, and environments face various challenges. We often unknowingly endure the stress brought about by impure surroundings, such as unhealthy diets, improper or excessive use of unverified medications, and the threats to health posed by mental pressure. China, with its 5,000 years of cultural heritage, deeply rooted in the wisdom of Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism, provides invaluable insights into health preservation. Ancient people drew upon this wisdom, combining the power of nature's herbs with spiritual therapies to coexist harmoniously with the world, nurturing an endless array of health-preserving practices. It is well known that ancient wisdom emphasized the principle of prevention is better than cure. They understood that by following a diet and lifestyle suited to their constitution, they could prevent illnesses and maintain health. As an old saying goes, medicinal supplements cannot compare to dietary nourishment, and dietary nourishment is surpassed by spiritual cultivation. This not only highlights the pivotal role of diet in health preservation, but also underscores the importance of mental and spiritual well-being. Through practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and nurturing the spirit, ancient people maintained inner balance and tranquility, achieving holistic health of the body, mind, and spirit. The Chinese character for medicine is a testament to ancient wisdom, composed of herbs and joy, symbolizing the combination of herbal remedies and spiritual healing. They represent the natural efficacy of herbs in harmonizing the body's yin and yang, and enhancing self-healing capabilities, while emphasizes the significance of mental well-being. This character reflects the ancient cosmic view of the unity of heaven and humanity, stressing the importance of harmonious coexistence between humans and the natural environment. Through the Health, Nature, and Beauty channel, we explore the philosophy of nature and health preservation, uncovering the ancient wisdom of Chinese traditional health practices. By harnessing the miraculous healing power of herbs, we aim to prevent various illnesses. You can check out our playlist or click the link below to learn more. Incorporating the health preservation wisdom of the ancients into modern life allows us to learn from their insights, express gratitude for nature's gifts, and make good use of herbs and dietary therapies to restore harmony to our body, mind. Ancient people valued holistic health, focusing on cultivating both body and mind alongside methods like diet and exercise. They adhered to the cosmic law of the unity of heaven and humanity, integrating harmony of body, mind, and spirit to achieve yin-yang balance within the body. A positive mindset contributes to the smooth circulation of energy and blood, while a calm attitude toward external challenges helps reduce anxiety and worries. A healthy mental state is the cornerstone of physical well-being. By integrating the health preservation practices of Chinese culture into modern life, we can truly embody the essence of health, nature, and beauty.